Today we're going to look at our last kind of background, that is a quick backdrop. It's almost the same as a backdrop, except for it's a little bit different. We'll see the differences. So I'm going to open a new application by clicking here. Now we're going to go to the frame editor on frame 1, and now I'm going to insert a new object, and I'm going to go to the background section, and that will be a quick backdrop. Okay. Now I have the plus, I'm going to click, and we have a quick backdrop. Looks a little bit different than a regular backdrop. If you remember, I'll just add the other kind of the regular backdrop here. It looked like this. The quick backdrop is just a solid color. You can change this color, you can make it a gradient. So to do that, you can just click here. Okay, now we can add a border around it by clicking here. We can choose what color we want the border. Say we want a red border, and then we can increase the width. And then you see now we have a red border. We can change the color of it here. Just pick a color, and it'll change the fill color. We can also choose a gradient, which is a blending of two colors together, like that. You pick two colors. I'll pick a nice green, and then a yellow. And now you can see that they're blending together. The green blends into the yellow. We can change this to vertical gradient, and then the green is on the top and the yellow is on the bottom. We can also change the shape. Here we can make it a line, and then when we make a line, we only have border color and no fill color. And then we can also make it an ellipse, like this. And then we can choose the same options here for fill, like that. And then the one last kind, here we can choose this, and now this is a tiled effect. We can just draw whatever we want, and then it'll tile it over and over again. Now we have some other settings for a quick backdrop, the same as a regular backdrop. We can add ink effects like before. We can change these positions as usual with any object. We can change the obstacle type and the names. That's all for quick backdrops.